Research and development. Definition, types, importance, advantages, and disadvantages. In this video, you will learn what is research and development, types of research and development, advantages of research and development, disadvantages of research and development, what types of activities can be found in research and development, and importance of research and development. So let's start this video. What is research and development? Research and development is a process by which a company obtains new knowledge and uses it to improve existing products and introduce new ones to its operations. R&D is a systematic investigation with the objective of introducing innovations to the company's current product offerings. It achieves this by adding improvements to the current goods and services or introducing a new product offering. Types of research and development. There are three types of research and development: basic research, applied research, and development research. Let's look at each in detail. Basic research. Basic research is concerned with the acquisition of new knowledge. It is a systematic study that intends to gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental elements of a concept or phenomenon. Basic research is an initial stage of the R&D process. However, it does not provide the possible applications of concepts or phenomenon in production. Also, basic research is the most time-consuming part of R&D. Applied research. Applied research is a systematic study of application knowledge in the development of products or operations. Relative to basic research, applied research is more complex in nature, thus it requires higher spending than basic research. Development research. This model involves a department composed of industrial scientists or researchers, all of who are tasked with applied research in technical, scientific, or industrial fields. This model facilitates the development of future products or the improvement of current products or operating procedures. Advantages of research and development. Foster innovation. Enables companies to enhance existing products and services or develop new ones for the market. Skill development. Involves highly skilled employees, expanding the company's talent pool with specialized expertise. Improved consumer experience. Offers consumers higher quality products, better services, and a broader range of choices. Brand loyalty encourages consumer loyalty by consistently meeting or exceeding expectations. Boosts productivity, drives efficiency and advancements within corporate processes. Economic growth contributes to overall economic progress by fostering innovation and industry development. Disadvantages of research and development. High cost requires significant upfront financial investment for setting up R&D departments, hiring skilled professionals, and conducting product and service testing. Time intensive. Innovation is a lengthy process involving considerable time from conception to production and delivery. Market risk. Companies face the challenge of changing market trends. A product that seems promising during development may become outdated or less desirable by the time it reaches the market. What types of activities can be found in research and development? Research and development activities focus on the innovation of new products or services in a company. Among the primary purpose of R&D activities is for a company to remain competitive as it produces products that advance and elevate its current product line. Since R&D operates on a longer-term horizon, its activities are not anticipated to generate immediate returns. However, in time, R&D projects may lead to patents, trademarks, or breakthrough discoveries with lasting benefits to the company. Importance of research and development. Given the rapid rate of technological advancement, R&D is important for companies to stay competitive. Specifically, R&D allows companies to create products that are difficult for their competitors to replicate. Meanwhile, R&D efforts can lead to improved productivity that helps increase margins, further creating an edge in leading over competitors. From a broader perspective, R&D can allow a company to stay ahead of the curve, anticipating customers' demands or trends. Conclusion. There are many things companies can do in order to advance in their industries and the overall market. Research and development is just one way they can set themselves apart from their competition. It opens up the potential for innovation and increasing sales. However, it does come with some drawbacks, the most obvious being the financial cost and the time it takes to innovate. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.